Class 10th Mathematics quadratic question in one variable. Exercise 4. In this exercise, the general solution of the equation, that is the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The general solution, that is the x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. In this discriminant, what is the discriminant of this expression? It is represented by d, and that is b square minus 4ac. It is your discriminant, and that is the solution of the equation of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So now we want to find the discriminant. So all the equations are comparing with this equation and then put in this value and we get the discriminant. So let us proceed this question. First of all, the first question is given as this one: x square minus 4x and plus 2 equal to 0. Now compare to this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It's your equation second. Comparing the equation first and second, so we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c equal to 2. So discriminant is given as d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is given as minus 4, so whole square, and minus 4a is 1 and c is 2. So 4 4 just 16 and minus 4 2 ja 8. So it becomes 8 as the answer. So that is your answer. Now come to the second question. This is your second question. This is x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. What will be happen in this? First, we want to multiply inside. So x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. So x 2x multiply करनी है आपको. So x into 2x, that is the 2x square, and minus x into 1, that is the x, and 1 into 2x, that is minus 2x, and minus 1 multiply by this will be gives 1, that is 0. Once again 2x square minus 3x and plus 1 equal to 0. It's your equation first. Now comparing to this equation with the help of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is your equation second. Comparing the equation first and second, so we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c equal to 1. It is a, it is b, and it is c. Now find the discriminant, that d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So what will be happen in this? b is given as minus 3, so minus 3 square. 4a is given as 2 and c is given as 1. So we get 3 3 ja 9 minus 2 4 ja 8, that is 1. It is your answer. So you can do very well this one, and the other part is for your homeworks, but you can see your third portion also. This is your third portion, so you can see equation first. Now comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is equation second. How to compare? A is equal to this one, root 3, and b is equal to 2 root 3, 2 root 2, and c equal to, that is minus 2 root 3. So what will be happen? So first write the formula, d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is 2 root 2 whole square, 4a is root 3, and c is minus 2 root 3, so it will becomes positive 2 root 3. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and plus 4 to the 8 and 8 3 the 24. So it will gives 32 is your answer. Now 4 question and other questions are for your homework, so you can do at home. होमवर्क को अच्छी तरह से कॉपी में करेंगे। सर बहुत बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए आप लोग जो है इसको कॉपी में करेंगे। रियाज सर हमेशा इस चीज़ को कह रहे हैं कि बच्चों को होमवर्क नहीं दिया जा रहा है, तो होमवर्क ये करके मुझे कॉपी में उसका व्हाट्सअप भेजेंगे प्रिंट आउट ले करके। नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, that is the find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So how can find the nature of the quadratic equation? So first of all, if d is greater than equal to 0, the natures of root is this one, nature of roots, real and distinct. Real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, so roots are real and equal. If d is less than 0, so roots are imaginary. With the help of these three, we can find the nature of the roots. This nature of roots we can find with the help of this type. So always remember, if d is greater than 0, so real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, so real and equal roots. If d is less than 0, imaginary and distinct also, means separate roots होंगे. So now come to the first question. That is your first question. First you compare with the help of this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is equation second. Now compare. So find the value of a. A is, that is 1. Here is 1. Now b is equal to minus 4. This one minus 4. And c is equal to plus 4. This one c. So find the discriminant. The formula is b square minus 4ac. b is given as minus 4 whole square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 4. So what will be happen? It is 4 4 just 16 and minus 4 4 just 16. So that is 0. That means roots are real and equal. So you can write roots are real and equal. So that is your answer. Now come to the second question. It is your second question and that is equation first. Now write your own equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is equation second. Now compare first and second. So a is equal to this one a, that is 2, and b is equal to 2, this one 2, and c is also 2. So you can write 2. Now find the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. What will be happen? b is 2, so whole square, 4a is 2 and c is also 2. So it is 4 minus 4 4 just 16. So it becomes minus 8. That means it is less than, that means d is less than 0. So roots are imaginary. And distinct. So that is your answer. This is the nature of the roots. So you can do other question with the same manner. So this third question, this third question and this fourth question for your homework, so you can do at home very well. If you have any trouble, so you can ask me with the help of WhatsApp. Now come to the next question. Find the value of k if the roots of given equations are real and equal. So it is given as real and equal. For real and equal, so d is equal to 0. Now come to this equation, that is the first. Now compare with our own equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is equation second. Compare the equation first and second. So we get a is equal to, that is 2, and b is equal to, that is minus 10, and c is equal to k. Now for real and equal roots, this one, for real and equal roots, you can write for real and equal roots, that is d is equal to 0. D means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Where is b? B is given as minus 10, it is whole square, minus 4a is 2, and c is minus 10 equal to 0. What will be happen in this? So it is 10 into 10, that is the 100, and minus plus. Where is the value of k? C is equal to k, so don't write here 10, you can write here k. So it is 100 and minus 8k is equal to 0. Now 8k is equal to 100. So k is equal to 100 divided by 8. So 4 to the 8 and 4 25 ja. So k is equal to 25 divided by 2. That is your answer. So it's a simple question, so you can do very well. Now you can proceed this fourth question. Second and third, it is our homework. This question and this question for your homework, so you can do at home. I will tell you the fourth part of this question. How can do this fourth part? This one, it's your equation first. Now compare to own equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a is equal to, this is your equation second. Now compare first and second. A is equal to 9 and b equal to, that is minus k, and c equal to, that is 16. So for real, this one, for real and equal roots, what will be happen? D is equal to 0. So you can put the value of d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b square means minus k square. So you can write here, and 4a is given as 9 and c is given as 16. So here is k square equal to 0. K square minus, how many? 4 9 are 36 and 16. You can do the multiplication. It is 566. So 566 equal to 0. Now k square is equal to 566. So k becomes plus minus under root of 566. So you can find the square root. So the square root is 2 into 3 into 4. How much? It is 24 is the answer. Now come to the next question. What will be happen in your next question? सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फार्मूला। अब आपको फार्मूला अप्लाई करना है और उसकी हेल्प से इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है। इट इज लेंथी क्वेश्चन, सो यू कैन सी वेरी वेल। और इसको देखना है आपको कैसे करना है। So that is your first question. That is your first question. Now compare two own equation, that is the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It's your equation second. Compare the equation. So a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 7 and c equal to minus 2. Now apply the formula. The formula is given as b is equal to x equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac and divided by 2a. So here is minus b means 7 plus minus under root of 4ac, that means 4ac, b square, that is means 49, 7 7 is 49, and minus 4ac, 4 into a is 9 and c is minus 2, so it becomes plus. Upon twice of a is 9. Now come to the here. What will be happen in this? So x equal to minus 7 plus minus multiply to this, it is 49 and plus. What happen? 9 4 to the 8 or 8 9 the 72. And upon 18. It is minus 7 plus minus. Add the 72 and 49. 9 or 2 11. 121 upon 18. So minus 7 plus minus under root of, it becomes 11 upon 18. In this solution, first you take positive sign and second you take negative sign. So how can solve the remaining part of this question? You can see here. First I will rub to this. Yes, now come to the question. First take positive sign. First take positive sign. So how can minus 7 plus of 11 and upon 18? So it becomes 4 upon 18. So 2 to the and 2 9 the. So it becomes 2 upon 9. That is your answer. First answer. Now taking negative sign. What means the negative sign? That is the minus 7 and minus 11 upon 18. So it is minus 18 upon 18. So it becomes minus 1. So that is your second answer. Similarly, you can do the other parts of this equation. So come to this, how can do this? I want to solve your second question, this question. But how can solve? It is necessary to know. It's your equation first. Now write your own equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now comparing the equation first and second, that means a becomes this one 6 and b equal to that one is 1 only and c equal to minus 2. Now write the formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Now put the value minus b, that means minus 1 plus minus under root of minus 1 whole square minus 4a is, where is a? A is 6 and c is minus 2, so it becomes plus upon twice of a is 6. What will be happen in this? So x is equal to minus 1 and plus minus under root of 1 square, that is 1 plus. Here is 6 to the 12 and it is 4 ja 48 and upon 2 6 ja 12. So it becomes minus 1 plus minus under root of 149, that is 49 upon 12. So it becomes 1 plus minus 7 upon 12. It is 12. So now come to the second part of this page. Minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 12. X equal to minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 12. So taking positive sign, first you take positive sign. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 7 divided by 12. That is 6 upon 12. 6 1 ja and 6 2 ja. So we get 1 by 2 as your answer. Now similarly you can say taking negative sign. What will be happen? So x equal to minus 1 minus 7 divided by 12. So that is minus 8 divided by 12. 4 3 ja and 4 4 ja. So it becomes minus 4 by 3 as your answer, second answer. Similarly, you can do other parts and all parts are for your homework. So this third part, and this fourth part is your homework. You can do at home very well. Other questions also you can do. Other questions you can see in other parts. So how can see this? I will tell you how can see this. Yes, these questions. So remaining part is for your homework. Remaining part for your homework, like this question, and the other questions. These are the homework. So you can do at home. In this question also, this question, this. So many questions are for your homework. और ये होमवर्क आप लोग करके रखेंगे। अगर क्वेश्चन अगर नहीं आते हैं तो आप मुझसे पूछेंगे दोबारा, यू कैन आस्क मी। सॉल्यूशन यदि सही लगे हों तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें, जिससे कि मेरी नई नई वीडियो जो भी आती हैं आपको पहले ही नंबर पे मिल जाएं। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।